Despite low gas prices, which slowed inflation in the United States, it maintains strong grip on the U.S. economy and remains the biggest challenge for the American government and people due to the ongoing increase of other prices across the country. The jump in core prices, which exclude unstable food and energy costs, reignited concerns that the Federal Reserve will sharply push interest rates and raise the risk of a slump.
So the biggest thing is, though, the rent. We used to have a lower price. Now it's up to like 800 or so. It went up 20%, give or take. So from 600 to 800, that's $200. So it's a big rise. But besides that, I mean, I've been prepared.
The U.S. government said on Tuesday that core prices jumped 6.3% of the year ending in August and 0.6% from July to August. Businesses are still raising prices in response to robust consumer demand. Chairperson Jerome Powell is expected to announce another big increase in the Fed's Q rate next week, which will lead to higher costs for consumer and business loans.
Sometimes it's too expensive. It doesn't cover it. What people do is, well, I'm going to trust God and see what's going to happen, and they give it up instead of trying to fight for it. But it's difficult because right now I went to the dentist about a couple of months ago, and to extract something is like 150. Before it used to be like only 50, 55, maybe 70 at the most.
The rate of inflation is higher than many Americans have ever seen, driving up the cost of utilities, rent, and other living budgets for families. Despite job opportunities, growth, and minimal unemployment, these factors haven't stopped an economic decline.
The stock market doesn't necessarily reflect the state of the economy, as you well know. And the economy is still strong, unemployment's low, jobs are up, manufacturing's good. So I think we're going to be fine.
Economists plan to trail core prices track to get clearer vision on inflation path. They now anticipate that the Fed will increase its benchmark short-term rate, which is now between 2.25% and 2.5% to 4.5% or more, by the beginning of the next year. That would make it considerably harder for the central bank to achieve its goal of a soft landing, whereby it would control inflation without bringing on a recession.